All right, so this is 2120 East Federal Street. I'm guessing it looked like that before as well.
Yep.
All right, let's go inside and check it out. Same contractor, same deal. Although different finishes, I'll tell you that right now. Different finishes. But still, we have to figure out how much money was put in here. Another thing I was also asking myself is, you know, if I'm a contractor and I'm gonna be doing work for someone, and I'm gonna be giving them a bad finish on the product, am I really doing what I'm supposed to be doing? You know what I mean? Is it really supposed? That door was unlocked. Holy shit. Right. I think it does make sense what I'm saying. I think it does make sense for what I'm saying. Let's take a look at the neighborhood. But just think about it, right? If I'm gonna be doing work for someone and I'm gonna be giving them a shitty product, I mean, is it really worth my time to do that? You got a shitty product out there, you know you did the work, it's shitty work, you know what I mean? Is it really worth it? Once again, my point as to why they did these basements in Baltimore, I have no freaking clue. Because they can for sure not afford to have these basements. I mean, just society in general here can't afford it. The community that there's here just can't afford it. Anyways, following on more important topics, let's look at the property and the kind of finishes that they have. See, I'm not an electrician, I'm not a plumber. I can't judge based on my experience because I have none, very minimum. Common sense, it's not always so common. So maybe what I think is common in the construction industry, maybe it's not, you know? That was a learning lesson right there. Is this child-proof? I would not install that in a Section 8 property. That's just me. Again, question comes, how much money was put into the project, right? Did they see a return on investment? Again, these are, you know, 80, $100,000, $150,000 properties. Around that range is what you see here in the Baltimore area. The nice thing about it is that, you know, you can get $1,500, $1,600 for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home like this one. That's what they're about to rent this one for. That's what Naveen just told me. And I can actually vouch for that because I have a property that is a 5-bedroom, I think it's 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom. That Section 8 is paying $2,000 a month on that one, 100%. So the tenant is not paying anything. we're in the process right now of removing the tenant. Is the right way to say it? But anyways, the tenant is leaving. They already put in their 60-day notice. But what I'm saying with that is, you can get that in Baltimore. You know, fair market rent for a 4-bedroom house in Baltimore, it can go up to, I think it's $2,500 something. So we could have asked for more money on that property. Now, again, this is where my, I guess, unexpertise come in place, where I don't know the industry, I don't know the market as much as I would like for. You know, I own a business right now, endlessmining.com. That's what I know. You know, you talk to me about crypto miners, I know exactly how to help you. You talk to me about real estate right now, maybe I'm not a professional, but you know, that's what I'm trying to be. I'm trying to see if I can start dabbling into the construction industry a lot more, since, you know, I'm getting a bachelor's degree right now in construction management. I'm about to get it next semester. You know, I know how to manage a project under budget, or on budget, on time, safely, on schedule. Serves the purpose, I guess. Alrighty. So yeah, that was this property. No more properties for today, but keep tuned. We're gonna keep looking at contractors. We're gonna keep going after more properties to see which contractor fits our needs. One thing I'll tell you though, some of these properties, they even though they redid the whole entire floor, even the beams down below, they don't get it right. They don't get the leveling right. But all right, stay tuned.